I'm here at Harold Odell Country Park and we are on a mission. I am the sheriff and we are looking for our most wanted bird, the nemesis bird, the bullfinch. So wish me luck as we try and find some. Already some goosanders right behind me, a new life for me, so really happy to see that. Lots of bird life already, little egrets, mallards, cormorants. Yeah, hopefully today is going to be a good day. Right, I've come to the first hide and it is super cold, super blustery out there. So, don't know what small birds we'll get throughout today. Obviously there's always that hope for that bullfinch. If not, definitely loads of water birds. Waterfowl, the goosander, obviously really happy with. First time getting them. In the corner over there of the hide, in the trees, you can see egrets, little egrets, they're all up there, having a great time, so I'll show you that as well. But it's really lovely here. And I thought I'd try and get some facts for you about Harold Odell Country Park, thinking it's named after someone called Harold Odell. No, it's in between two villages called Harold and Odell, and that's why it's got its name. So there's that. But as hides go, this is really nice. Got pictures here to help identify birds. So if you're on user bird watching, places like this are fantastic. Red-crested pochard, that will be great to see. Bullfinch, obviously, but yeah, got goosanders, so really happy. A golden eye would also be absolutely incredible, but it's lovely here, so I can't complain. So I'm in the little nature reserve area. Loads of trees, loads of coverage. Should be good for definitely the smaller birds anyway. And robins, love them, but they're so frustrating. To see that flash of orange that goes past, I get really excited, and it's a robin. One day it won't be though. But you've got to take what you can get, right? But it is really enjoyable out here. It might be freezing, but it's good to get out and about still. I don't know about anyone else, but I think mentally for me, it's so helpful being out in nature. And I think it's something we all take for granted and what good it can do for you, just be outside and outdoors. But yeah, can definitely hear a lot of birds. There's another robin there, got excited again. They like doing that, don't they? They like doing that. But anyway, hopefully we can get some different birds out here. It's quite cool. I like it here. I like a place like this. Well, it's absolutely lovely in here. Of course, I've got my obligatory long-tailed tit. There was a little muntjac. I only got snappers off it. I was trying to track it. It was, it's honestly, it's great here. Obviously, blue-tailed tit, gold crest was showing so lovely, and I've only had really poor pictures and only like a slight showing before, but so I'm happier. Feels like it's a good day, very good day. Yeah, this is probably one of my favourite places I've been to so far in the UK with regards to ASMR birds, and I'd probably rate it a little bit higher than Summerlees in that respect. Feels a bit more natural than sitting at a feeding station, although I do enjoy the feeding station, but if we're going to get luck, today's the day, it's got to be, surely. Well, that flurry of luck we had seems to be gone. It's not because they're doing a lot of work down the other side, you can probably hear it, you can hear a lot of chainsaw and things like that, and clearing away, which obviously work that needs to be done, but I feel like it's probably my best chance here. It's a shame, it is a shame, but it's gorgeous. I've enjoyed it, yeah, so far. Lots of brilliant stuff. So realistically, can I complain? No, I can't complain. But yeah, we're gonna go back round this different lake up there, and we might come through back here on the way back, and fingers crossed we get some more luck. Right, so we have bad news and good news. Good news, the sun has come out. Bad news, Not really a lot on this side. Thought there was something there. We're going to keep on looking and keep on going around the lake, see what we can see. There's another hide somewhere, I believe so. But yeah, it's gone quiet all of a sudden. I know as we're coming up to midday, that's likely why. It's not the best time to be looking for birds. But we're going to persevere nonetheless anyway. We've got to find something else, surely. Come on. Today needs to be the day. So I found the other hide, and it is definitely much better here. It's really, really good so far. I don't know if you can see much, but there's loads of waterfowl out there. It's really gorgeous around here. I love this. Gonna have to come here definitely again in spring and again in summer, and probably another couple of times in winter, because this is too good to pass up. Gonna try and get out the bigger lens now and see if I can get anything. Well, that was absolutely stunning. Really, really pleasing this hide. And the new lens, also the new lens, 800mm. I'm definitely getting used to it now, I'd say, and I'm getting better shots. The lighting does have to be much better though, but we're going to continue around anyway, just because, yeah, it's been lovely. It's been good. Right, we're sat in the car now. It is freezing, but we've had a really, really good day. Thought I got a bullfinch at the end. I'm not going to lie, I was so excited. Turns out, alas, it was not. Decided not to give up on the hunt for the bullfinch. It's the next day. We are at Brompton Valley Way, and we are on the hunt for the bullfinch. I've got to find it. You can hear some jays, you can hear some pheasants. There's quite a lot of birds around here. It's quite gorgeous actually. But I'm thinking there's lots of berries here, so maybe we'll get our best chance at a bullfinch. Surely the wait's got to be over, isn't it? We've been trying for so long. But anyway, let's get going. After countless hours of searching, I've finally got the bullfinch. Honestly can't believe it. It just came from the trees behind me here. I'm at Brompton Valley Way, by the way. And yes! Oh, I've worked it out. I have put hundreds of hours in to find the bullfinch this year. Finally. Not the best shots, but I don't care. I got one. Get in!